Welcome to another video. Today we are making mango fruity. Season have arrived for this. You can make it at home without any preservative. For that we take 2 mangoes, badam mangoes and 1 curry, 1 cup sugar and 1 spoon vinegar. Cut these 2 mangoes. You can take 2 badam mangoes. Cut and grind it well. There should be no lumps. Strain it with the help of a strainer so that if there are any lumps can be removed. You can make about 2 liters of fruity with just 3 mangoes. It has no preservative, can be stored for 20-25 days in the freezer or in the fridge. See, I'm straining it. How smooth paste is coming out. Strain it nicely so that there are no lumps when you cook it. See, these were the lumps in it. Now I will cut this curry and churn it in a mixer. See, now I will strain this also with the help of strainer. See, you can see some pieces of curry in it, so that it will be removed with the help of strainer. See, there were some chunks, so I have removed it. Now I will take a pan, add the mango puree and the curry puree to it. We will stir it continuously. Mix it well so that both the purees are combined together. Cook it on a medium to low flame. Now I'll be adding 1 cup of sugar. If your mangoes are not so sweet, you can add more sugar, or if they are more sweeter, you can adjust your sugar accordingly. Cook it nicely, mix it well. Our mixture will come to a translucent color, thick shiny color. And when you see the sides are being cooked, you can see a layer on the sides, then our fruity is cooked. It will get a more shiny texture to it. Stir it continuously so that it don't stick to the bottom. how shiny it is getting. Nicer color, coming to something translucent, brighter shade of mango. It is about to cook. When you see the sides, when you see the layer on the sides, that means it is cooked. Now we will be adding 1 spoon of vinegar as a preservative, so it will last up to 20 to 25 days in fridge. Mix it well, cook for another 2 to 3 minutes and close the flame. It is smelling amazing, just like a store-bought fruity. It is more healthier option than the store-bought ones. As it is chemical free and preservative free, your kids can have it any time of the day. Now it's almost cooked. We will switch off the flame and let it cool at room temperature for about an hour. Keep it aside for an hour, let it cool. It will get more thicker. See, after an hour it has been cooled and became thick. Now I am adding 1 liter of water to it. Mix it well. You can add more to it to make more liquidy. I am keeping it thick as my children loves thick one. Mix it well and store it in an airtight container in fridge. It will last up to 20 to 25 days. Enjoy this. Let your kids enjoy this fruity without preservative and no chemicals in it. See, still it is thick. You can add more water. I am keeping it as it is. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and